History of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word.
It is used to do text documents.
Microsoft Excel.
It is used to organize data in tabular form.
Microsoft PowerPoint.
It is used to do when you have presentation and when you have an audience.
Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody.
They are the developer of the Microsoft. They are also the one who developed the what you see is what you get.
Xerox Bravo.
Xerox Bravo is a company that released the what you see is what you get.
Bill Gates and Paul Allen.
They are the owner and founder of the company Microsoft. In 1981, they hired Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody to become their programmer in their company.
WYSIWYG.
Or what you see is what you get. It is the first word processing software that is developed by Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody.
MS-DOS or Microsoft Disk Operating System.
It is the first version of the Microsoft.
Versions of Microsoft Word. Word 1.0.
Released in the year of 1983.
Word 2.0.
Released in the year of 1991.
Word 6.0.
Released in the year of 1993.
Word 95.
Released in the year of 1995.
Word 97.
Released in the year of 1997.
Word 2000.
Released in the year of 2000.
Word XP.
Released in the year of 2002.
Word 2007.
Released in the year of 2007.
Word 2010.
Released in the year of 2010.
Word 2013.
Released in the year of 2013. Thank you for watching. Good day!